Welcome. In this video, we're going to be applying the limit laws, and in this case, we're going to use a graph to apply the limit laws. So here we're given the graph of a function g in blue and f in red, and we're told to find the limit as x approaches negative 3 of the sum of f of x plus 2 times g of x. So applying the limit laws, this becomes the limit as x approaches negative 3 of f of x plus the limit as x approaches negative 3 of 2 times g of x. And we can simplify this a little bit further. The constant can be moved in front of the limit. So this is the limit as x approaches negative 3 of f of x plus 2 times the limit as x approaches negative 3 of g of x. Now all that is left is to look at the graph to evaluate the limit of f of x as x approaches negative 3, and then do the same thing with g of x, that is, evaluate the limit as as x approaches 3 of g of x. So first, f of x. As x approaches negative 3, you'll notice that f of x approaches 1. Next, let's look at g of x in blue. As x approaches negative 3, g of x approaches positive 3. This gives us 1 plus 6, which is just 7. Now before we end this video, I have a quick question for everyone. Why isn't the limit as x approaches negative 3 of g of x equal to 5? As you can see here, g evaluated at negative 3, so g evaluated at negative 3 is actually equal to 5. So why isn't the limit equal to 5? Well, the limit is not affected by the function value here when x equals negative 3. The limit is only concerned with what happens to x as we get very close to negative 3, but not necessarily at negative 3, just near negative 3. I hope this video was helpful.